important thing to have exhibitions and presentations in the school environment often 2-3 months so that kids are aware and get very good self-confidence to be presented.
एजुकेशन इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि बच्चों के जो टैलेंट हैं, जो बच्चों ने किया, काम किया, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए, उस चीज़ को शोकेस करने के लिए
we are truly thankful to have such a supportive and inspiring teacher. To begin today's presentation, we would like to invite Vishal Father, a confident and talented student whose project reflects creativity, technical understanding and hard work. Her dedication and innovative ideas make her project truly outstanding. Please welcome Vishal Father with a big round of applause. Vishal Fatma, and today I'm here to present my website. The topic of my website is bedtime stories. This website is made for children in story learning. It contains short, interesting, and moral bedtime stories. First of all, I would like to thank my respected Sir Soleh for his guidance and support. I got the confidence to make this website to present it today. So, before I start my website, I want to tell you that in my website, HTML and CSS coding are included. This all coding are done in Notepad. So let's start. This is a landing page of my website. Here you can see a navbar. This is actually a thing that shows a link to business. Find different part of our website. Whenever you open a website, this page will appear in your desktop or smartphone. This is the first page of my website. This is the home page. Here you got my introduction of every Disney princess, like Cinderella, Rapunzel, Snow White, and other princesses. Then the other page is stories. Here you can get a detailed story of every Disney princess. Like if I want to read Cinderella's detailed story, I click on Cinderella and the detailed story of Cinderella will appear on your screen. Like that. And if I want to read a pencil detailed story, the pencil story will appear on your screen. The other page is summary page. Here you got a summary of every Cinderella's detailed story. You just click on read full story and the full story will appear here. About us page. In there you can know the information about us, that what's my, but the most interesting thing in that website is quizzes. There you can solve the quiz of your favorite Disney princess. That if you want to solve a Cinderella and you can just click on. So that is quiz of class 10. So we will take your question for the topic of online subject. And we are here to perform our website, which is about feeling and this is the hospital website. It provides information about doctors, services and this is our first home page in which this is the home page in which every student got the opportunity to create their own website. explain how we work in what website. We hope you like it. As you can see, when you open the website, each location pop-up appears where you can easily select your order type. You can select your order type and also your address. After selecting the address, a welcome note and a hard product message will appear for you guys on the screen. Address in all other information faith. Pakistan is a dream built with sacrifices of hope. Pakistan is blessed with beauty of nature, mountains, rivers, and mountains. At the base of Pakistan is their fearless soldier. The love for homeland is stronger than fear. They protect their claims from vertically conspiring nation ambitions.
Extended strike in weak Pakistan can make people like Islam read every that is national problem
Sami Javed. My name is Asha Bhatt, and we are from class 8. Today, standing here to present our topic that is the role of youth in Pakistan.
role of youth in Pakistan. The youth in Pakistan is very important for the development in development of Pakistan. They are making up 64% of the total population.
As the largest segment of the population, they have the energy, creativity, and potential to bring positive change to society by gaining education, using modern technology, and participating in social and political activities.
Our youth can play key roles in the following directions. Number 1, education and skills. Number 2, economic growth. Number 3, social changes. Number 4, political shifts.
Pakistan youth can help strengthen the economy and promote national unity. Their involvement in community service and responsible leadership can help solve national challenges and build a prosperous and peaceful Pakistan.
Here to present our concept about the famous topic, the importance of freedom.
Freedom is fundamental human right that allows individuals to live their lives as they choose, express themselves and pursue their dreams and pursuits. Freedom is essential for learning, creativity, and personal growth. Why is freedom important?
The next point is how freedom helps us allowed to make our decisions which build our confidence. We can learn from our mistakes and become wiser. It can help us to express our feelings and decisions.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Now I would like to thank our respected teachers at college for guiding us and supporting us. Throughout this activity, his guidance helped us learn and improve. Thank you so much, sir. Today I am going to speak on an important topic, women empowerment. Women empowerment means giving women equal rights, freedom and opportunities to make their own decisions. It allows women to get education, choose their careers, take care of their health and participate in leadership. When women are empowered, they become confident, educated and independent. We are presented from class 8A. As you all know, we all are existing here to share our thoughts, creativity with each other in the field of computing. So my topic is about youth role in nation building. The topic has vast impact on our society. To understand the country, it's everyone's duty to be the backbone of the development for nation, driving progress through energy. The nation future is our hands, whether we take it to this good or the hand and to raise it. We can change thousands of mindsets that are living in an old and dusty way. We can build our nation better than the level politicians. This is the presentation in which we are telling that youth role in nation building is so important in this field. This shows the nation building definition and the major reason happening in the nation. Thank you.
Let's start This started at night and spread gradually.
हुआ इसके बाद, तो अंदाज़ा हुआ होगा कि हम लोग अभी पाकिस्तान पूरी दुनिया से बहुत पीछे हैं। तो जब तक हम अपने आप को अपग्रेड नहीं करेंगे तो हम दुनिया के साथ नहीं चल सकते। चाहे आप बायो पढ़ी हो या आपने कंप्यूटर ली हो, लेकिन हमें टेक्नोलॉजी से सीखना चाहिए और यही हमें आगे लेके जाएगी। इसके अलावा मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर हम ये गर्ल्स के लिए आईटी की फील्ड इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हमारा जो ये माशरा है ये थोड़ा सा ख़राब हो चुका है कि पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो डरते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे बाहर जा रहे हैं, जॉब पे जा रहे हैं, इस तरह का माहौल है, क्या है। तो हम आईटी की फील्ड चूज़ करके हम घर बैठे भी इनकम को जनरेट कर सकते हैं और अपना शौक पूरा कर सकते हैं काम करके। इसके अलावा अगर आप लोगों को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो आप लोग बिल्कुल पूछ सकते हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर ये बताएं कि एग्ज़िबिशंस क्यों ज़रूरी है?
सर एग्जीबिशन इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि बच्चों के जो टैलेंट हैं, जो बच्चों ने किया, काम किया, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए, उस चीज़ को शोकेस करने के लिए हमें एग्जीबिशन करना ज़रूरी है। इससे बच्चे मोटिवेट होते हैं और उनके अंदर थोड़ा सा जुनून होता है कि हम भी आगे बढ़ें और हमारी प्रोजेक्ट्स शोकेस हो, हमें भी कोई देखे, हमारी कोई तारीफ़ करे। एप्रिशिएट बहुत करना ज़रूरी है। अगर हम एप्रिशिएट नहीं करते तो बच्चे के अंदर वो मोटिवेशन नहीं आती काम करने की, अंदर तरीके से वो कर सकता है।
सर ये कंप्यूटर जो है अगर आप देखा जाए जब इब्तिदा में आया था एक कमरे के बराबर था और अब कंप्यूटर बच्चों के हाथ में। आप मज़ीद फ्यूचर में 10 से 20 साल आगे जाएं तो आप इस हवाले से इसको किस तरह से देखते हैं?
देखिए अपग्रेडेशन जो है ना बड़ी ज़रूरी होती है। जब तक चीज़ें अपग्रेड नहीं होंगी तब तक यह है कि हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते। ठीक है, तो पहले के दौर में क्या था और अब के दौर में क्या है वो बड़ा फ़र्क है। इस चीज़ के अंदर आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं। पहले एक कंप्यूटर जो है वो एक रूम के अंदर आता था पूरा, अब एक रूम के अंदर 25-30 कंप्यूटर आराम से आ सकते हैं। जैसी चीज़ें अपग्रेड हो रही हैं, जैसे हमारे पास पहले USB थी, उसके बाद फिर मेमोरी कार्ड आ गया, तो चीज़ें छोटी होती जा रही हैं, लेकिन क्या है उसके अंदर जो वसाइल हैं हमारे पास वो बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।
सर हर चीज़ दो रुखों पर कायम है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव। अगर कंप्यूटर नॉलेज को पॉजिटिव वे में यूज़ करें तो हम कितनी दूर तक जाएंगे, उसके क्या क्या बेनिफिट हासिल करेंगे?
आपका सवाल का ये मतलब है कि एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस।
यस।
ठीक है, देखिए हर चीज़ के दो रूप होते हैं। ठीक है, आपके ऊपर है, आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि आप उसको किस तरह से इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। छुरी जो है वो सब्ज़ी काटने की काम आती है और गला काटने की काम आती है, तो ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको किस तरीके से उस चीज़ को लेना है। अगर आप उसको अपने इंफॉर्मेशन लेने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, लेकिन अगर आप स्कैम करने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो चीज़ है। तो मशीन बना तो ली है, अब उसकी ज़िम्मेदारी आपकी है कि आपको उसको किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करना है। थैंक यू।
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Dr. Tareen, a principal of Jalal School of Advanced Studies. As today we had our very first computer presentation exhibition, which Sir Swale conducted of grade 8, 9, 10 girls, and it was conducted and executed very well. The kids were prepared digitally with the teacher, with the guidance of the teacher, their presentations, their internet sites. We have motivated them for their skills they should have, and it is one of the most important thing to have exhibitions and presentations in the school environment often 2-3 months, so that kids are aware and get very good self-confidence to be presented as a school representative, at the national level, at international level. It provides a self-confidence to our students. So I would appreciate that we should conduct our exhibitions like computer exhibition, science exhibition. This is our very first time, and I wish you all the best. Very good work we have done today, and inshallah we will be doing more soon. Thank you. One more thing I would like to add is that, as everyone knows now globally, computer has not been confined to the rooms of computer labs. It has been in the hands, in the labs, in the mind of the students, and to all of the human beings. It can be used anywhere, anytime, and do any skills, any courses you can do. Even if you are driving, you can conduct classes, you can conduct meetings. It's all about computer and digital networking. marketing and digital experiences. Thank you. Yes, and the next topic I would like to talk on is artificial intelligence, which is known as AI, and as the same which is have captured all the global organizations that in future we might be only having artificial intelligence working there. All manuals and everything will be obsolete. So from kids to grade 9, 10 to high school to college to the staff, the teachers, to all the organizations, they have to be equipped with artificial intelligence, and it is the main form that this is your survival. Thank you. In the end, I would like to conclude my topic is I wish all the best to all the people in Pakistan that they are getting helpful skills. They are even employment is online right now. They are earning too much. So for the best of the future, I would like to give my best wishes to all of them, and may they prosper everywhere. Thank you.